New Notebook LM plus Gemini update is insane. Google just dropped the biggest Notebook LM and Gemini update of the year, and it changes everything about how you use AI to run your business. We're talking cinematic AI videos from your notes. Your notebooks now synced across two powerful tools and features that used to cost a full production team, now done in seconds. This is not a small update. This is a whole new way to work. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use all of this to save time and grow faster. Now, let's get into it. So first, let me set the scene. NotebookLM has been one of the most underrated AI tools out there. You upload your documents, your PDFs, your notes, and it becomes your personal research assistant that only uses your sources. No hallucinations, no made-up stuff, just clean, accurate answers from your own content. But Google just took it way further. 3 massive updates just dropped, and they all work together. So let me break them down one by one. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's out there helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to give you the latest AI updates that actually matter. And Julian reads every single comment. So drop yours below and let him know what you think. This is the one that changes your workflow. Google just introduced notebooks inside the Gemini app, and here's what that means. Before this, NotebookLM and Gemini were 2 separate tools. You do your research in NotebookLM, then have to manually bring that context into Gemini. It was annoying, it slowed you down. Now they're connected. Any source you add in NotebookLM automatically shows up in Gemini. Any notebook you build in Gemini syncs straight to NotebookLM. You add something once, it appears everywhere. There's a brand new notebook section in the Gemini sidebar. Every chat now has an option to save it to a notebook. You can add files, websites, Drive documents, copied text, all in one place, and Gemini uses all of that context to give you way sharper, more relevant answers. And by the way, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like NotebookLM to automate your business and save hundreds of hours, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place to be. It's the best community for business owners who want to use AI to scale without working more. Link is in the comments and description. Think of it like this. You've got your AI Profit Boardroom content library, your community SOPs, your onboarding docs, your member resources. You drop all of that into a notebook. Now, every time you open Gemini, it already knows your business. You don't have to re-explain anything. You don't have to paste context into every prompt. It's just there. That alone is a massive time saver. And you can even set custom instructions. So Gemini knows the tone you want, the way you communicate, what to focus on. You set it once. It works every time. This is rolling out now for Google AI Ultra Pro and Plus subscribers on the web. Free users are getting it in the coming weeks. Now here's where things get really interesting, and this is the open loop I want you to hold in your head until we get there. What if you could take all your research, all your notes, all your content, and turn it into a full cinematic video? Not a slideshow, not bullet points with voiceover, a real video, with animations, with motion, with narration. That's what just dropped, and we'll get there in a minute. But first, update 2. Google pushed back-end improvements to how NotebookLM processes and understands your content. Here's the big one. NotebookLM now uses the full 1 million token context window of Gemini across all plans. That means it can analyze way more content at once. Massive document collections, long research projects, hundreds of pages, all processed together. On top of that, they increased multi-turn conversation capacity by more than 6 times. So you can have longer, deeper conversations with your notebook without it forgetting what you talked about earlier. It stays coherent, it stays relevant. And there's something new called goals. You can now set a goal for each notebook, a specific role or objective for the AI to adopt. So instead of a generic assistant, you can tell it to act like a business strategist, a content planner, a customer research analyst, whatever fits your project. Now, let's talk about update 3, because this is the one I've been saving. You know the old video overviews in NotebookLM? They were basically narrated slideshows. You uploaded your notes, it made a deck, added a voiceover. Fine, useful, but not exciting. What just dropped is completely different. NotebookLM can now take your uploaded sources, your PDFs, your Google Docs, your research notes, your web articles, and turn them into fully animated cinematic explainer videos, real videos, with fluid animations, motion graphics, narration, visual transitions. And the way it does this is wild. Google is using 3 AI models working together. Gemini acts as the creative director. It reads your sources, decides the narrative, picks the visual style and format. Then Imagen generates the visuals, custom graphics matched to your content. Then Veo brings it all to life with animation and movement. Gemini is making hundreds of structural and stylistic decisions behind the scenes. It's not picking a template. It's building something unique to your content every time. So here's a real example of what this looks like in practice. Say you want to create a video explaining what the AI Profit Boardroom is and why business owners should join. You paste in your community description, your member benefits, some testimonials from your members, your FAQ page. You hit generate. And NotebookLM builds you a cinematic explainer video, animated, narrated, structured to tell the story of your community in a way that actually holds attention. That used to take a video team, a scriptwriter, a motion designer, hours of back and forth. Now it's a few minutes and a document upload, and the customization options are getting better too. You can now choose from 10 different infographic styles to match the vibe of your output: scientific, professional, editorial, sketch note, and more. You can also revise slide decks now with specific feedback, and the AI regenerates them fast. There's also PPTX export now. So if you're working in Microsoft PowerPoint, you can take your AI-generated slides and drop them straight into your existing workflow. No more PDF-only lock-in. For mobile users, your flashcard and quiz progress now saves across sessions. So if you're using NotebookLM to learn something, study it on your phone, come back later, and it picks up right where you left off. Now, cinematic video overviews are currently for Google AI Ultra subscribers. That's the premium tier. It's not cheap. But if you're a content creator, a business owner, someone who regularly needs to turn research into presentable content, the time you save is real. Let me also touch on something that's flying under the radar. There's a new memory import feature in Gemini. Inside your settings, you can now import memory and context from other AI tools. So if you've built up a workflow in another AI, you can bring that context into Gemini. That's a big deal for anyone running multi-tool AI setups. And Google also expanded access to NotebookLM for Workspace enterprise and education users. So if your business is running on Google Workspace, your whole team can now use NotebookLM notebooks as sources directly inside Gemini. That means your team's research, documents, and workflows can all be centralized in one connected AI environment. So let me bring this all together. What Google just built is an end-to-end AI knowledge system. You do your research, you organize it into a notebook. That notebook syncs across Gemini and NotebookLM. Gemini uses it to answer questions, write content, and plan projects. NotebookLM uses it to generate audio overviews, cinematic videos, infographics, and slide decks. Every piece connects to every other piece. Nothing is wasted. Nothing needs to be re-explained. And for business owners who want to move faster, do more with less, and stop repeating themselves, this is exactly the kind of tool stack that makes that possible. Here's what I'd suggest you do right now. Pick one project you're working on. Could be an offer, a product, a content series, whatever it is. Go to NotebookLM, create a notebook, and upload everything you have on that project. Set a goal for the notebook that matches what you're trying to achieve, then connect it to Gemini and start using it as your project partner. That one habit will save you hours every week. And when you start seeing what cinematic video overviews can do with that content, it's going to change how you think about content production completely. Now, if you want the full process SOPs and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Profit Boardroom. Learn how to automate your workflows with tools like NotebookLM and scale your business with AI automation. The link is in the comments and description. And if you want free access to all the video notes, prompts, and a community of 45,000 members who are crushing it with AI, join the AI Success Lab. It's completely free. Link is in the comments and description. You'll get everything from this video, plus way more in there.